everybody, so we got a single item from a massive order. I want you guys to guess what it is, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is going to be a quick video. This is a Milwaukee item. I would like to do a guess what's in the box video. I'm standing this far back so you can't read the label. It is a Milwaukee item. It is for a M18 tool. So leave me down in the comments below. Let me go down in the comments. Let me know what you guys' guesses are. It's a pretty long box. Let's see. It is 43 inches long. And it is 5 inches wide. But just a quick little video. Let me know what your guys' guesses are. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI affiliate links in the description below. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me and playing along with me. Appreciate you guys sticking around for the video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.